Sunday dinner. Gonna show you how to make. We are gonna show you how to make gravy when you don't have gravy. Use the
Pour it all out because you can use some
turkey
stuffing.
broth. We're gonna use some for the stuffing. Good. Now what? You can show us.
You gotta put some aside for the stuffing.
We could do that later.
Well, you pour some in here for the gravy.
Okay.
Shoot. A little more. One more. Good. More. There. That should be good.
Which one's this for?
That's for stuffing. Put it aside.
Okay, that's for the gravy.
Then
Then what?
put that flour in there.
This
Run
one?
cold water. No! Ooh.
Can you show us so you know?
Mm-hmm.
Then what do I do?
Run really cold water.
Tin foil. Tell how much? Do I mix it?
You want cold water because it helps make no lumps.
Okay.
You want no lumps in your gravy water mix. So that's like 3/4 of a cup. Let's see how much water you can use. Let's keep saying those size. Yeah, mix that. 3/4 of a cup of water. And you whisk that till like no lumps. Like this, look. Can you do like this? It's kind of thick like pancake mix, so you want it a little bit more runny. Then can you move that so you can start boiling your oil? Put the turkey. See, nice and smooth. Well, you don't want lumps in there. This is just a thickening agent. And you don't have any cornstarch.
We'll do the I want to do this so that we'll do that this week next. We'll show that gravy.
Stuffing?
Yeah. That'll be educational.
See, and there's no lumps now. Looks good. Okay, now boil. You want to get your thing hot?
Cut. Huh?
Cut. Just show hand.
We got it to a boil.
Come to it.
Boiling.
Okay. Are you gonna put your flour next to it? See how it's the white? You put one of these in to help it brown the color.
What kind of gravy is that?
Brown.
Brown. Oh.
I just said to brown the color.
No, I just want to make sure they know.
You don't just pour it in like a glob too. You gotta like whisk in a little bit at a time or it's gonna make one big glob.
Does this to brown it?
This is just to brown it.
Coloring like?
Yeah, color it.
And make sure your flour dough is your mix is very good.
Okay, keep stirring it like that. Good till it's all mixed in.
Then
Let's flavor it.
now, what's the next step? What about you put the flour in?
Yeah.
Did you? Did you show it?
Only halfway. You didn't even need it all.
You didn't need all of it?
Well, I'm gonna
That's the
strain
gravy.
it. I'm gonna strain mine into here to make it nice and smooth. Yeah.
You could mix it up more than that to get the brown one. Okay, over here.
Strain it in here.
Strain it to get the lumps out.
There, whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Perfect. See ya? Gravy.
There's your
Wow.
That's how I make gravy.
Okay.
We've got turkey broth. We're gonna make the stuffing now. Try to. And we put a little bit of gravy in there. 4 cups of water. Cold water, I guess. One. Tender. 2. 3. 4. Now what, Abel? Just boil it?
Boil it. Put 4 boxes in.
You put it when it's boiling or after?
I put it in boiling.
Before. One.
You can cut up celery, onion, and a couple of carrots and put it in there. No, I mean you can, but I don't because the kids are picky.
Okay. What do you can put in there? You said celery,
Celery, onion,
onion,
carrots,
carrots,
diced up really small.
diced up real small.
And then you can throw a couple dried cranberries. It's really good, but kids don't like it like that.
And you can throw a little bit of dry cranberries in there. And don't forget to put a little bit of our homemade gravy in there. We didn't show that part.
turkey broth.
And the turkey broth went in too. But we're making only homemade gravy and a little bit of our homemade. Oh, the turkey gravy, the turkey broth and gravy we put in, and this the stuffing. Oh, you don't use that. Use this.
It's done. Shut it off.
It's done.
Shut it off. Let it sit for like 10 minutes. It'll absorb all that liquid and it'll be a stuffing. That's all.
Okay, that's all. You just let it sit and absorb. You take it off the heat.
Yes.
Take it off the heat so it don't burn. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope this video was educational. Thank you.